Hi everyone, I'm so glad to see you back. Today we have another unpacking video. You see behind me we have this huge parcel and I can't wait to open it. Let's do it. Can you guess what is inside? I know what's supposed to be inside, but I don't know what's exactly is inside. It's definitely paint protection film, but what kind of paint protection film? We will see very soon. I was waiting for this parcel 3 months because the supplier wasn't able to catch us because it was traveling a lot, and finally it was in one place for more than 4 weeks and we finally received it. As you see, we have GSWF, and if you haven't heard about this brand, it is paint protection film manufacturer. And they make not only clear paint protection film, they make colored paint protection film as well. Let's check what's inside this first box. Ta-da! Okay, we have definitely PPF. And it's probably full roll. We have a new swatch book. That's so cool. Come on. Okay. Let's look at it. That's a beautiful swatch book. Just look at it. And yes guys, all these colors are paint protection film. Even satin yellow, gloss yellow, pink, satin pink, orange. This red is a perfect match of Ferrari red. It looks very, very good. Blue, sky blue. And of course clear PPF. Most popular paint protection film is clear PPF. Okay. Swatch books. What else? What else? What else? Let's check what's inside the second box. Ta-da! Okay, here we have different products. What's here is, it looks like a headlight tint. Okay, headlight tint. Two more boxes. Ooh, in this box we have okay, this one is gloss black PPF. It's really good product. It's very good product for roofs, bonnets, race stripes. Because it's self-healing, it's PPF, and it lasts way longer than vinyl wrap. Okay. And let's check what we have in last box. Inside last box. And here we have a lot of colored PPF. Okay, we have red PPF, pink PPF, yellow PPF, and something inside, probably black PPF. That's cool. That's very, very cool. I'm glad to be able to collaborate with GSWF brand, because if you follow us, probably know that we've done a lot of testing with this product back in Australia. And I'm happy that we can continue working with them here in Europe. This time we're gonna do not only testing, but I will provide you some installation tips and tricks, how to install real panels, how to work on real jobs, not only, test pieces. So stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. It's me, Virus, and I will see you soon.